Aloha and good morning, everybody. Welcome to our Act 310 hearing today. I just want to thank everybody for participating in this process. This is the first time we've ever done this. And so, there's a lot of things we had to work through in the beginning. First, I want to thank Aloha United Way for being our community partner, for really stepping up and helping us take in all the applications, but now at this point, all the hard work really starts for you folks. So thank you. I want to thank the governor and Office of Community Services and the Lieutenant Governor for helping us craft this measure, and of course our Senate counterparts. Putting this $50 million aside to serve our nonprofit community was important for us during this session because we knew that we would be facing some uncertainty. It was not an easy task as we received over 200 applications for a total of over $150 million. So it's obvious that there's a lot of need out there in our community. I want to thank everybody who took the time to apply, for those who came and took the time to testify at our hearing a few weeks ago, and for those who took the time to schedule meetings with our offices and further explain your request. Unfortunately, there's not enough funds to go around to each organization, but as I've mentioned to a few organizations, please apply during our regular grant and aid process, which applications come out in January. Also wanted to thank House leadership for allowing myself and Representative Takanuchi to take part in this process. And at this point, I'm going to turn it over to the Senate.
Thank you, Co-Chair. First, I also want to thank everyone for their patience. I know many of you have been on pins and needles, really having to deal with the current situation and needing this funding as soon as possible so you can still get operations going and help people who really depend on your services. We want to thank the governor, the lieutenant governor, Senate President, Speaker, members of the House and Senate for all of their input and their assistance in making sure that the committee received as much information as possible on the different needs and definitely urgent needs across the state. These are uncertain times, especially with the federal funding situation. Residents who rely on programs like SNAP and WIC underwent uncertainty and quite a bit of stress. So did thousands of federal employees who sought help from food banks to provide for their families. Just as we emerge from the shutdown, it's still not clear what the future may bring, and we still may see some disruptions to our communities. The legislature passed Act 310 so that we could provide a safety net to preserve and continue programs that are so sorely needed. At the very beginning, our goal was to assist organizations that have lost federal funding or serve at-risk populations, and that is why the committee prioritized healthcare, human services, education, the arts, and food distribution. While not everyone could be awarded, I believe that you will see that this list of awardees, many will agree that the programs with long reach will have high impact with this investment. With that being said, as co-chair, the recommendation is to accept the following list. (808) Rising, 200,000. Access Surf, 250,000. Adult Friends for Youth, 400,000. Aha Punana Leo, 750,000. Aloha Care, $1 million. Alulike, 186,000. Arc of Maui County, 500,000. Big Island Substance Abuse Council, 500,000. Bobby Benson Center, 195,000. Boys and Girls Club of Big Island, $2 million.
Boys and Girls Club of Hawaii, 400,000. Bridge House, 150,000. Castle Medical Center, 500,000. Catholic Charities Hawaii, 300,000. Seeds of Peace, 75,000. Child and Family Service, 1 million. Hawaiian Council, 400,000. Community Clinic of Maui, 750,000. Domestic Violence Action Center, 400,000. Elipaio Social Services, 1 million.
Family Hui Hawaii, 200,000. Family Promise of Hawaii, 459,000. Five Mountains Hawaii, $560,250. Feed Hawaii, $227,000. Feeding Hawaii Together, $500,000. Friends of the Children's Justice Center of Oahu, $15,000. Goodwill Industries of Hawaii, $1 million. Hele Maha Olu, $300,000. Hana Health, $1,025,000. Hawaii Cattlemen's Council, $86,000.
Hawaii Children's Action Network, 100,000. Hawaii Disabilities Rights Center, 225,000. Hawaii Good Food Alliance, 1 million. Hawaii Family Law Clinic, 140,000. Hawaii Food Bank, 5.5 million. Hawaii Health and Harm Reduction Center, 90,000. Hawaii Islands HIV/AIDS Foundation, 180,000. Hawaii Island United Way, 80,000. Hawaii Literacy, 350,000. Hawaii Meals on Wheels, 450,000.
Hawaii Public Radio, 500,000. Hawaii Youth Services Network, 600,000. Healthy Mothers, Healthy Babies, 600,000. Hawaii Good Samaritan Foundation, 300,000. Hilo United Methodist Church, 8,000. Honolulu Community Action Program, 350,000. Honolulu Theater for Youth, 300,000. Imua Family Services, 500,000. In Peace, 500,000. Kauai Economic Opportunity, $844,500.
Kauai Food Bank, 95,000. Kekahu Foundation, 83,000. Pualoheia Ecumenical Youth Project, 250,000. Ukuakali Valley Comprehensive Family Services, $1,250,000. Polalo Health Center, 500,000. Puakini Medical Center, 1,250,000. Kulani Akea, $449,600. Kupu, 1.5 million. Lanai Community Health Center, 730,000. Legal Aid Society of Hawaii, 300,000.
Living Pono Project, 250,000. Lokahi Treatment Centers, 50,000. Malama Kauai, 100,000. Malama Pono Health Services, 200,000. Maui Economic Opportunity, 500,000. Maui Family Support Services, 800,000. Maui Food Bank, 895,000. Maui Hub, 45,000. Maui United Way, 100,000. Molokai Ohana Healthcare, 188,000.
My Brother's Keeper, 250,000. North Kohala Community Resource Center, 32,500. North Shore EVP, 127,000. Olelo Community Media, 500,000. Pacific Gateway, 250,000. Palihua Conservation Initiative, 76,000. Partners in Development Foundation, 750,000. Shack Foundation, 300,000. Sounding Joy Music Therapy, 145,000. Spill the Tea Cafe, 500,000.
Susanna Wesley Community Center, 250,000. Teach for America, 34,000. The Food Basket, 1.5 million. The Legal Clinic, 100,000. Upcountry Strong, 50,000. Wahiawa Center for Community Health, 1,250,000. Waianae District Comprehensive Health and Hospital, 1,250,000. Waikiki Community Center, 150,000. Waimanalo Health Center, $1 million. Weed and Seed Hawaii, $100,000.
West Hawaii Community Health Center, 1.4 million. West Hawaii Region Hospital Foundation, $469,300. YMCA of Honolulu, $457,700. And YWCA of Oahu, $584,150. And finally, YWCA of Kauai, $500,000.
Thank you. Any discussion? If not, any objections, reservations to the list of nonprofits and awarded amount? In the list is as read is adopted. Okay, so we're adjourning the informational briefing. Mahalo.